Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today's video is somewhat of a collective haul, I guess. Basically the roundup of luxury items I bought this past summer, so June, July and August. I have a total of 4 items to go through, and yeah, I'm gonna talk you through them in chronological order, starting with actually my very first luxury handbag purchase this year, which is kind of amazing because it's already end of August, and it's even a pre-loved handbag which I paid a little under 500 euros for, so pretty amazing if you ask me. This is the Balenciaga Ludis handbag in the small size in this like dark black and white marble effect. They do come in a predominantly white marble effect with black veining basically, but this version is definitely the one I had my eye on the most. I first saw this bag on KW Shop's YouTube channel a couple of years ago at this point, and I've been looking for this particular bag on several pre-loved websites, and for some reason either the seller didn't get back to me or they were just way overpriced, but one day I finally found it on Vestiaire Collective for a decent enough price. I know it's not your usual luxury handbag, and apart from KW Shop, so Catherine's channel, I'll leave a link to her channel below. I haven't seen anyone wear this bag, but that's also the beauty of it, I think. So yeah, let me quickly give you a rundown. I won't go into too much detail because, as I said, these are pretty hard to come by and they're not in production anymore. So yeah, but let me know if you want me to film a dedicated review or like in-depth what fits inside video. I'll be more than happy to do that, but I don't know if that's something you'd be interested in. So to quickly show you the layout of the bag, you have this like clasp compartment right here which opens like that, and if you can see, the hardware is like a mixed metal, so silver and gold, and the silver is quite shiny and the gold is like a brushed finish. So clasp compartment right here, doesn't fit too much, it's just a slide compartment. You might be able to fit your phone in there, and also it's leather lined, which is great. And then you have this like dangly tab thing right here, and the main compartment is a zipper compartment. I mean, as you can see, it's somewhat of a triangular shape, so you're not able to fit that much in there because it gets quite narrow up here, but you do fit the essentials for sure. And apart from the crook of the arm or like hand carry option, you can also wear the bag crossbody, or maybe not crossbody, but definitely on your shoulder with this detachable and adjustable shoulder strap. And on the inside, pretty much a black hole, again leather line, which is great. You have an additional inside zipper compartment, quite small, you won't be able to fit your phone in there. And that's about it. No back pocket, unfortunately. I would have preferred to have a back pocket, but I'm just so happy that I finally found one in pretty good condition. Oh, and by the way, on the bottom right here, you don't have feet per se, but these 2 metal bars, and I just realized that they even have the plastic protective sticker or like foil on there. Okay, I thought it would be easier to remove that, but I'll do that after the video, or I'll leave it on. Anyway, super happy, and let me know what you think about this bag. It's, as I said, my first luxury handbag I purchased in 2021, which actually kind of surprised me. You may consider me a luxury minimalist now. No, just kidding. And it's also my second pre-loved Balenciaga bag in a row, because before this one, the newest addition to my luxury handbag collection is my purple Balenciaga City. I showed that one in my collective haul a couple of months ago. So super happy I found this one, and I've already been wearing it tons. So there we go. Let me know what you think about the bag. I know it won't be for everyone, but I love it if you haven't been able to tell. By the way, if this is your first time watching, hi, my name is Leslie. I'm so glad you clicked on today's video. If you like luxury and fashion, shopping vlogs, hauls, unboxing, comparison videos, review videos, and other good stuff, I think you really like it here, so if that sounds like your thing, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also thumb up this video. That would help me out a lot. I upload every Wednesday and I would love to have you back. Next off in chronological order is something in a black Chanel box, and you've already seen this item on my channel, so I'm gonna keep it short and sweet. Plus, it is in its box for a reason, but I'll get to that in a second. So I'm talking about my pretty statement and pretty loud Chanel bracelet that I purchased in the Chanel sale towards the end of June. And I'm actually thinking of selling this bracelet. It's just a matter of, I mean, don't get me wrong, I really like the look of it, but I do have a couple of bracelets that I prefer to be wearing. For example, my Van Cleef & Arpels bracelet, which is kind of an everyday bracelet for me. I know some people won't agree with that, but yeah, I've been wearing it almost every day. And I think the main reason why I bought the Chanel bracelet was I had been waiting in line in front of the Chanel boutique for over an hour before I was able to enter the boutique and look at the sale items. And I guess I didn't want to leave the boutique empty-handed and have the wait in front of the boutique be all for nothing. And yeah, also I think the fact that the bracelet had been on sale from, I think the original price was $590 down to 40%, so $354-ish, I want to say, is what I paid. I should know better, and these past few years I've actually been pretty good at keeping my impulse purchases and purchases just because something is on sale to somewhat of a minimum, but yeah, no one's perfect. So while I like the idea of this bracelet, I'm pretty certain I'm going to put it up for sale. So yeah, so not the smartest purchase, but I thought I'd include it in this video regardless. Also to let you know, or to serve as a reminder to not be purchasing stuff just because it's on sale, because if I had seen it at full price in the boutique, I wouldn't have looked twice. So that should have been a dead giveaway that the bracelet wasn't meant to be for me, but oh well. Hi there, editing Lesley popping in just to let you know that the bracelet actually sold within 2 days of me uploading it. So yeah, I might have priced it too low, but anyway, it's already on its way to its new owner, or she would have already received it by now. So yeah, back to the video. Next up is another sale purchase, which however I don't regret, and I'm talking about this cutie right here. It's from Kate Spade, so not particularly high-end luxury, it's more like, yeah, a contemporary brand, but I hope you'll forgive me for including it regardless, because it's just so cute. I found this one online for 22 euros and the original price had been 50 euros, I think, so quite a good saving. And I mean, it's just adorable, these like hearts, and yeah, super cute. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that my usual wallet situation is actually my Louis Vuitton Pochette Clé and my LV card holder in the monogram reverse, but I thought, yeah, after having worn this one over a year at this point on a daily basis, I thought I'd give it a bit of a break. Plus I realized that the Kate Spade card holder actually has a lot more card slots. You have 2 in the front right here, 2 in the back, and then a pretty generous one in the middle. So yeah, super spacious, whereas the LV card holder only has 1 pocket on either side and then a middle pocket. So another plus of the Kate Spade one, and yeah, I immediately transferred most of my cards in this little cutie, so I think that's a good sign, and yeah, really glad I bought this one. It's just adorable. And to wrap up this video, I'm going to quickly show you my most recent luxury purchase, which you will have seen already if you've watched my latest shopping vlog, the Bvlgari one, and yeah, it's obviously my Bvlgari Serpentine bracelet on a cord. I've been wearing it almost daily. On this arm, obviously my VCA bracelet, and on this arm I usually wear my watch, and it stacks beautifully with these kind of cord bracelets, either the Cartier Trinity one or yeah, this one obviously. Talking about the Trinity one, I've been thinking about filming a comparison video between this one and the Cartier Trinity bracelet, which obviously comes on a cord as well. So let me know if that would be something you'd be interested in. But yeah, I guess that does it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Again, thumb up this video if you enjoyed it. That would help me out so much. Also consider subscribing if you haven't already. I upload every Wednesday, as I said, and I would love to have you back.